THV 11 is your election central. Time now 6:44. A key issue this election cycle has been reproductive rights and specifically access to abortion across the nation.
You may remember an Arkansas proposal to expand abortion rights never made it to the ballot. The Supreme Court upheld the Secretary of State's decision to not validate petition signatures due to a paperwork problem.
But as Naomi Ruckham shows us, people in several other states did vote on abortion rights.
It was perhaps the most divisive issue outside of the name at the top of the ticket: reproductive rights and abortion. In the wake of the Supreme Court's 2022 decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, abortion rights groups turned to the ballot, placing women's health care directly in the hands of voters themselves.
My individual rights are super important, as are my girls.
I don't think women's rights is the #1 issue for America right now.
10 states had abortion on the ballot. In Florida, Amendment 4 failed. The measure would have overridden the state's ban on abortion after 6 weeks. But supporters could not garner the 60% of votes needed to pass, disappointing Democrats in the state.
It is not the end of our work, it is the beginning.
The measure did, however, earn a majority, 57% of the vote, which supporters welcomed as a small victory.
It is still a historic outcome that demonstrates how the majority of Floridians oppose Governor DeSantis' 6-week abortion ban.
Pro-choice measures did succeed in other states, however, including Missouri, which currently has some of the country's strictest laws, banning abortion entirely with the exception of medical emergencies. In Arizona, voters also passed a constitutional initiative allowing abortion rights up to fetal viability, generally considered around 23 or 24 weeks. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News.
Voters in Maryland, Colorado, and Nevada all decided to add abortion rights to their state constitutions.
Abortion rights advocates in New York saw a win as well. On top of abortion being legal up to 24 weeks, which is already the law there, now the state's constitution makes pregnancy a protected class against discrimination.